Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to how to enable carpet suction boost and what it does on DREAME D20 Plus. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then go to carpet cleaning settings. You can ignore carpets, which means it won't care the carpet's there, and it will mop it and stuff like that, and it's suitable for environments with no carpets or where mats can be mopped, like rubber mats. You can also set vacuum, and in that case it will not mop on the carpet. Unfortunately, the robot does not lift the mop. This model does not lift the mop, so if it is in mopping mode, then it just won't go there, and that's it. But yeah, basically it will skip the rug when it's in mopping mode, but when it's not in the mopping mode, it will go on the carpet and just vacuum there. And you can also set carpet boost, which means it will increase the suction power to clean carpets better, but the carpet boost won't work when the suction level is set to quiet. And that is it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.